Hey, what's up, guys? I do hope you're all having a great day. It's your boy Jay, the Moto Marauder, back at again with another video. Anyways, you guys might be wondering where I've been this past week. Didn't really have much of a chance to record this week, and in this video I'm going to be explaining why. It isn't anything major, just that we've had a ton of bad weather and I've had a bit of bad luck. So for the motorcycle, if you guys have seen my shorts, we've had a bunch of snow, so I couldn't really record on that. And even if I wanted to, the Marauder has a dead battery right now that will not hold a charge. It'll turn on, but as soon as the bike turns off, it will not start up again. So I have to replace the battery on the bike anyways. And the E46 was having its own issues. I'll explain more in a bit. First off, it leaked all the coolant everywhere. Don't know what happened, but I lost a bunch of the coolant and the car started to overheat during winter. Coolant. And that coolant was like completely gone in the car. Let's need to top it up. So as you can see, the coolant's now basically topped up, so it shouldn't overheat now. Basically, between being a Arctic storm with a ton of snow, so I can't really take out the bike. The battery's dead on the bike, which I'm gonna go pick up either tonight or tomorrow. E46 was having issues with the coolant, and the battery died on me, and so I did jump start it. So hopefully it should start up right now. It seems to have power, so hopefully it does start up. If not, I have to hook it up to the Jeep and give it another jump start. I filled it up with coolant, so it should not overheat now. So got the keys, holding a selfie stick while I film this. Let's see if it starts up. If it starts up, we're back in business. And nope, battery needs to be jumped again. Anyways, I'll do that right now, and I'm gonna cut the video here because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me just jump start a car. It is pretty easy, as we all know. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video for today is just to give you guys an update on where I've been this past week. I'm going to be uploading a bunch more in the next month of February. This month I didn't upload as much as I wanted to, mainly due to personal reasons. I'd say I'll leave it at that for now. Personal reasons, I did have plans to go to the motorcycle show that was in Vancouver, which isn't actually in Vancouver, it's in the town I'm at. So I was gonna go there, record 2 or 3 videos there, meet other content creators there as well. But due to reasons with work and personal reasons, I couldn't end up going. So that cut out maybe like a week and a half worth of content, and that just followed me through till the end of the month with the snow and the rain and the issues with both of the vehicles. So yeah, everything is going to be good now. We technically have the Beamer back up and running again. I need to figure out where this coolant is going because it seems to leak every now and then and just like it dumps all the coolant out. Need to figure out that. The Marauder has a battery now, so it should be up and running. Just gotta wait for days where it doesn't rain, and we'll be back up with that too. We're almost at 1K. Currently, when I'm recording this, we are at 806 subscribers. I really want to say thank you to all of you. I appreciate every single one of you for sticking around, watching my videos, and supporting me. It's been a long time coming. We've had this page for about 5 years, and I only recently got serious with the page in the past year. We've seen tremendous growth ever since I picked up the Marauder, and I've been making more videos on the E46. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, comment down below, share these videos, and if you guys could please subscribe. I want to try and hit 1K by the end of next month, and I have a little thing planned in the upcoming month too, which you guys might be interested in. So be sure to stick around, keep watching the videos. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay warm. It's your boy Jay, the Moto Marauder, signing out, and I'll catch you all in the next one, guys. See ya.